Good morning, children. So, children, chapter 1 in the last class we have done. Today, we are going to do chapter 2 in your computer. So, chapter 2 is about uses of a computer. So, see, chapter 2 uses of a computer. So children, see, today you are going to learn about uses of a computer. So in chapter 2 we are going to talk about uses of a computer. So what are the uses? In the last class I have said that computers, in computer we can do drawing, we can play game, we can watch cartoon movies, etc. So you see, in computer we can do lots and lots of things. Okay children, so you see, today one by one we are going to learn that what are the different uses of a computer. So here we are going to talk about different uses of a computer. Okay, now hope you have understood the chapter 1. You have written question answers in your copy, so learn very properly. Okay, today also I will give you some homework that you are going to do in your copy. Now so we are going to talk about uses of a computer. See the first usage. So in computer we can draw. So children, we can draw in a computer. After that, number 2, we can play games. Different games you can play. Okay, you can watch movies. So different movies you can watch. Okay, even you can type stories, letters. So children, you see, you can type stories later in your computer. Okay, after that you can use internet. So many things. Okay, so number 5, you can use internet. After that, there are so many things. You can listen to music. Okay, you can listen to music, you can do the calculation, addition, division, multiplication, you can write tables, you can learn all the tables. Okay, see, so you can write all the tables, you can do all the calculations in your computer. So in computer, so many things we can do it. Okay, you can help yourself in doing your homework. Okay, so there are many things which we can do. So now one by one we are going to discuss. Okay, so see, so first we are going to talk that the uses of a computer. The first use is that you can draw. You can draw pictures, you can color it. Okay, you can draw any pictures, you can put your color, the color which you like. Next is you can play games. So different types of games you can play in your computer. So many of you know how to play the game, so you can enjoy in your free time to play the games. Next is movies. Okay, now you see, you can watch movies, cartoon in your computer. So it is also like a television. Those who have computer and laptop, they can utilize it for watching movies, for watching cartoons, different types of program in your computer. Okay, next is you can type stories later. Okay, so many things. You can write a letter to your friends, you can write a letter to your parents, to your relatives, you can write small stories, you can write a poem. So different things you can do in your computer. Okay, so many things. You can even do your homework also in your computer. So many things you can do. So there are many uses of a computer. Next is internet. So in computer we can use internet. So through internet, so many things can be done in a computer. Nowadays people are purchasing different types of goods, that is different types of things through online. This is also with the help of internet, and without computer internet cannot be used. So you see today computer does lots of work, that means it has lots of uses. Okay, next is music. Now you see point number 6 is your music. Now we can listen to music. So whenever you are feeling boring, you can listen to music. You can, okay, you can entertain yourself, you can watch different, you can listen to different types of music. So computer does not do all these activity, but you can do different, like you can listen to music also. Okay, so it is used for entertainment purposes also. Okay, next, number number okay, so we can listen to the music. And number 7, we can write tables, that is 2 times table, 3 times table, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all the tables you can write in your computer, and you can learn also. Okay, next is calculations. So you can do different types of calculations, that is your addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. Okay, so all the different types of calculation we can do in a computer. So it's so many things we can do. So there are different uses of a computer. So computer help us to do so many things. So there are different uses of a computer. Even you can send messages and you can receive messages, okay, through email. So this is also done with the help of your computer. So computers play a very important role today. We can write a letter through the emails, we can send, we can receive the mail from one place to another. So this is also done with the help of a computer. After that, okay, the cartoons you can watch, okay, so many things, so many program you can see in your computer. So these are the uses of your computers. Okay, now few things are there which computer cannot do. So some are there which computer cannot do, but these are the things which computer can do. Again, I'm repeating, look at the blackboard now. So in computer we can draw, in computer we can play games, in computer we can watch movies, in computer we can type stories, letter, etc. In computer we can use internet, in computer we can listen to music, in computer we can write and learn the tables, in computer we can do the calculation. So different things we can do in a computer, that is these are the uses of your computers. Okay, but few things are there which computer cannot do. Computer cannot think, it cannot do anything of its own, it require, okay, someone should give order to the computer, instructions to the computer, then only a computer can do a specific task. A computer cannot do anything by its own. Okay, it is not a human being, it is a machine. So computer cannot do anything by its own. Today if you have a computer and if you say, computer, let's start the drawing, so computer cannot start the drawing. So when you will start your computer, okay, then only it will work. So computer cannot do anything by itself, so they should be given a instructions. Okay, so these are the uses. Okay, now you see, you can keep a things in a refrigerator, that is in freeze, to store it for a long period of time, like fruits, vegetable. But in computer you cannot store these all things, these all computer cannot do. Okay, computer cannot take any decision, so the decision has to be taken by the person who is using a computer. Okay, now we are going to see different places where computers are used. Please look now, different places we are going to see. So there are so many places are there where computers are used. Okay, computers are used. Now computers are not only used at home, in school, okay, but it is also used in different places. Today you see, today computers are used in at home, where we can use the computer, we can use the computer in school, we can use the computer in restaurant, we can use the computer in office, computers are used in hospital, computers are used in different places. Okay children, now let's see different places where computers are used. Look at the blackboard. Now see different places where computers are used. Now you see, now we are going to see different places where computers are used. Okay, so first we are using a computer at home. We can use computer at home. Number two, we can use computer at home. We can use in school. Okay, we can use in bank. We can use in hospital. We can use in office. Okay, we can use in different shop. Now see children, different places where computer are used. So we can use the computer, you can use your computer at home, you can use your computer in school, the computer are also used in bank, computer are also used in hospital, computer are used in office, computers are also used in shop. Okay, so different type, this is the different places where computers are used. Okay, now look, at home you can use computer for different purposes. You can watch cartoon, you can watch movies, you can listen to the music. Okay, school, you can, computers are used in school for teaching the students, teachers are preparing report card. Okay, it can be used in office, so it has different uses. Next is bank. Bank uses the computer to keep the record of the customers, okay, payment and deposits of the cash into the bank. Next, hospital. In hospital, computers are used for keeping the record of the patients. Okay, doctors are using a computer for the treatment. Office. In office, computers are used, okay, for performing different work, for doing different work. Okay, writing letters, making a report, etc. Now in shops, also computers are used for making bill, for record, for keeping the record of different things. Okay, now, so this is, these all are different places where computers are used. So keep in mind, that is your home, HOME, home. Next is school, SCHOOL, school. Next is bank, BANK, bank. Next is your hospital, HOSPITAL, hospital. Next is your office, OFFICE, office. And next is your shop. So there are so many places where computers are used. So these all, okay, so in coming up in these chapters, in other chapters you are going to see there will be different places where computer will be used. Okay, so today computer became very important. So these all are the places where computers are used. Even computers are used in airport, computers are used in railway stations. In airport and railway station, computers are used for booking tickets, okay, for other purposes. So everywhere, wherever you go today, okay, when you go for shopping in shopping mall, in shopping malls also computers are used. Okay, computers are used for preparing bill, keeping the record. So computer has different purposes. So today in this chapter 2 we have learned different uses of a computer, and we have learned different places where computers are used. Okay children, I'm going to give you homework also. You all will do it. You will write in your copy and you will learn it. Okay, take care and do the work very properly.